The sunshine lit the Cornish sky, chrome was sparkling far and wide. Engines humming, people smiled. Every road had brought a different style. From classic shine and polished bright, modern motors catching light. Families gathered, young and old, sharing stories that were worth more than gold. Welcome to the West Cornwall Family Motor Show, where memories shine and friendships grow. At Wendron Cricket Club, beneath blue skies, a celebration everyone enjoys. From the ground to the drone up high, every moment captured flying by. The engines roar, the people glow at the West Cornwall Family Motor Show. Vintage beauties line the green, the finest cars we'd ever seen. Motorbikes and customs too, every color, every view. Children laughing all around, music mixing with the engine sound. Cornwall spirit filled the air, you could feel the pride everywhere. From every corner near and far, people came to share their cars. One great day we'll all recall, a perfect show enjoyed by all. Welcome to the West Cornwall Family Motor Show, where Cornwall's passion steals the show. Blue skies above and smiles below, a day we'll always love to know. From every photo to every flight, the drone revealed a stunning sight. We'll meet again before too long, where every engine sings this song. Sunshine filled the field, every classic was revealed. Paint were gleaming in the light, making every moment bright. Walking slowly row by row, finding treasures on the show. Every badge of tales to tell, memories that wore them well. Rise above, let the drone fly high over Cornwall summer sky. Looking down on a sea of chrome, this is where the classics call home. West Cornwall Family Motor Show, where the good times always grow. Every smile and every car shows us just how special we are. Ground level moments close and clear, friends and families gathered here. Photographs that freeze the day, keeping every smile on display. Engines rumble, cameras roll, capturing the heart and classic stands revealed, years of care in every line. Every polished badge still shines. Friends are talking side by side, sharing stories filled with pride. Young and old all gather near, waiting for the engines here. Chrome beneath the Cornish sky, watching summer drifting by. At Wendron Cricket Club today, the memories never fade away. The West Cornwall Family Motor Show, where timeless treasures proudly glow. From the ground to sky so blue, every view is something new. Oh, oh. Gentle footsteps through the rows, every car's tales to show. Laughter echoes through the air, smiles away